get Monday going. Well, 50 amps may have been too much for this old unit right here. Yeah, kind of blew up the fucking TIG cup and the cutting head. Awesome. All right, the next fun part. Yes, F750. Strobe lights don't work. Oh, they work now. Let's get into this one. That is just straight sex right there, boys. That's right. Supply wire goes to a Y, goes out to the front strobe as well as the rear strobe right there. There you go. Feedback wire, nice hot dog splice right there, and repair the ground, and strobe lights work. So, yay. Alright, so on another fun-filled day so far. Got the converter housing and all that pulled. And start prepping you once I order more parts. Alright boys, happy Tuesday. We've got a snowstorm in the forecast for today and tomorrow. So we're going to do some more prep for essentially snow removal. Let's get today going, boys. Alright, now I got to swap you. Do it.
Do you see what the problem is? I don't fucking know.
Alright, just to simulate it being on a truck, got a starter button, 12-volt source. Alright, what's the problem?
You're not spinning.
Yay! Well, if you guys see right there, this is the broken remains of that gear. This is actually how it's attached to the driven gear. So, pulled it out and then welded it. The old hobo freight unit comes in clutch. And now it's back in this gearbox right here. Let's get Wednesday rolling after we get all this shit uncovered. Ugh. Well, we got to our units, and we got to take care of the snow situation first. So, bon voyage, snow. Now, working on this Goblin pump with the Yanmar engine in it, we need to check oil pressure because it keeps intermittently throwing low oil pressure faults. Alright, our next unit of fun here, we got ourselves some sort of fucking light tower. Apparently keeps tripping the breaker. And apparently has fuel system issues potentially. We got a Mitsubishi L3E. I don't know what gargoyles they got going on up in this thing, but I'm pretty sure this one's bad. Alright, so we primed the fuel system. We've got plenty of fuel flow into the filter housing. So, 12 volts to the transfer pump. 12 volts the whole time, then she cuts out. Alright guys, happy Thursday. So today we're going to get that MT85 done. First we have to get down to Metro Bobcat to pick up some parts. Let's get today going, boys. Alright, well, so I couldn't find a relay holder in time. We need to get this machine going, so we've got a new timer, shutdown solenoid, some pretty much spade connectors that happen to fit perfectly inside there. Going to an amp seal connector, going right into the factory harness. There it is, boys. Just about put back together, having to run out and flip a cutting edge this afternoon. But we got her just about dialed in. Everything's put back together, and like I said, we rewired the shutdown solenoid right in there. That amp seal connector. Oh yeah, real bougie. Well, boys, let's take off the old Bobcat hat and put on the old John Deere hat, boys. That's right. Thought you'd never see me wear some shit like this, huh? And just like that, we're all taken care of. The old 924's got a flip cutting edge.
Some people say they got that dog in them, but I got that deer in me. Because I always feel like running into oncoming traffic.
Happy Friday, everybody. Yep, it's Valentine's Day, so don't forget to get off of work at decent hours so you can be home for your wife. Today we're going to do all sorts of fun shit. So let's get today going. Alright, so back on the old Goblin pump, found this cheapo Napa version of that old pressure sender, so let's go ahead and get this shit changed. Out with the old, in with the new, let's get this shit going. Alright boys, D6K2, cutting edge, let's get this montage going. Oh yeah! Well, when you got to reuse the washers, you got to get creative. So, I mean, we got brake clean, we got a bucket. So, what do? We just, that failed. There you go, just a little shower there for it. That should do. Let's get a little bit more. And we got the other wheel loader done as well. Day still continues, boys. Wow, that was fucking close right there. Yeah. Old Big Deborah's going for a ride today, boys. 374 action. Coming to you live.